Good morning and welcome to IIJ's second edition of the virtual show. Saurabh, great to have you from Pune. Merry Christmas to you and to your family and to your organization. Saurabh, how has been the
Okay.
season for you?
Wishes to you and your entire family. Merry Christmas. And I think it's been a very good Christmas for the entire jewelry fraternity. I think Pan India last 2-3 months have been good for jewelers.
Thank you very much, Saurabh, and great to know this huge positive sentiment now. Uh, Coming to the IIJ's virtual, Saurabh, your entire team from all the cities where you operate in India participated in the October first edition of IIJ's virtual. So, how did it help you? And now we are coming up with the second edition of IIJ's virtual from Jan 8th to 12th. So, what are you looking forward to?
IIJ's virtual has been a great success in terms of, I would say it's been a game changer in many ways. It's led to democracy where everybody in the organization, has a chance to visit the fair, to be a part of the selection process. It's just put away barriers now, so people across platforms have been able to really contribute to getting right merchandise. Because as they say, if the right product at the right place and right price will ensure success. And IIJ's virtual has really crossed the barriers. Be it your salespeople at the front end, be it people at the corporate office, people have been coming together. There's been a lot of brainstorming. There's been huge discussions on be it designs, on be it the product categories, new inventions, and I think on that way it's been a game changer. It also lead to everyone being self-reliant. We're talking about Atmanirbhar Bharat, being self-sufficient, and I think this IIJS has made even a independent retailer in a remote city in India also on the same level as an organized retail chain player. So on that way, it has brought democracy to the entire selection process. It has opened people's eyes and ears, access to the latest of designs. So all in all, I think it's been a great success. And again, from our side, the team was very happy to contribute in the buying process. When it's a physical, you have limitation number of people going to attending that. You have limitation number of booths which you can visit. People also have limitations in terms of bargaining there. People around you are looking at you. Here it's one-on-one. It's at your convenience. Multiple teams can visit multiple booths online. So all in all, it's lead to a lot of productivity, effectiveness, and I think the world has now got used to doing things online. It's no longer difficult to buy things online. Design selections have become easily possible. A lot of the wholesalers have come up with new software using AI. So designs are actual reality what you're going to buy. So it has led to confidence, led to a comfort among retailers to also pick up designs. And I think being an online activity, even the wholesalers now are saving money on physical booths, which are investing in technology, which are investing in reaching out to the end consumers. So all in all, it's become very cohesive effort. And as a platform, like we talk of Amazon, we talk of Flipkart, I think IIJS has made a platform where buyer seller are coming together, and it's been successful. The year one was critical. I think Colin and entire team did a fabulous job. I think now it's going to be like a lot of retailers saying, we prefer this to be the real way to transact business.
Thank you, and great to hear that. Saurabh, you operate in the western part of India as well as in Middle East, in Dubai, also in America. So how has it really helped you in both, in terms of the domestic buying? I know that, your teams are all collaborating, but is there any particular category, like you said, silver is doing very well?
Because it's virtual, there's no access of geography. So everybody can log on to it. American market has done phenomenally well in the last 4-5 months. In fact, Diwali in America was around 20% more than last year in terms of quantity. So American markets have really bounced back, and the stimulus package being offered to the citizens there has been a big boost for consumption there. Middle East also, there are fears of how things will shape up, but Middle East has taken off. Tourist inflows have also started coming in. So I think it's really been a successful platform, and because it's virtual, everyone is a part of it.
Now we are in the almost at the end of the first wedding season of this year. What do you feel, from January till Akshaya Tritiya, the next 5-6 months, how is it going to be? Do you see any changes in customer requirements, or do you see any changes in the way your different categories are moving at different speeds?
Customer requirements are going to change where, even as retailers, use of technology, use of AI, virtual try-ons, home shopping is going to be a must.
Thank you very much for your time, and we are ending in a very, very bright note. It's a sparkling Christmas for the jewelry industry, and I'm sure 2021 will start on a very high note, and we'll do very, very well and a much, much better year than 2020.
Thank you, Samir. Let's all pray for the industry, and I'm sure the industry will outshine itself in the coming years.
Yes, yes. By God's grace, our industry will be doing much, much better.